Okay, I am using not mine, okay, I'm using the online GDB, right, because I still don't have the time to set up my Python inside my computer. Something went wrong, right? So you can see that I am actually setting it to Python 3, and I already have two very simple line of code over here, right, which is both print. Okay, so I will just run this, and of course you expect the output is print hello from limjetwee. Okay, but if you look closely at the output, it is actually on two separate lines. Alright, so there's a print hello, then of course there is a enter or new line, followed by from limjetwee. Okay, but what if I want this two string to be on the same line? Of course your answer will be, well, type it on the same line. Okay, all right, but what if that is not an option because of some logics inside your algorithm? Okay, you could use a variable, all right, or you can concate it, but I'm going to show a different method, right? So I'm just going to put a comma, then followed by a n, all right, equal double quote. Okay, let's run this first. You will notice now it is actually on the same line. All right, so the hello world is over here, then the from limjetwee is actually over here, and all because of the n equal. Okay, but again you will notice that the hello world, all right, and the from limjetwee, there is no space. Okay, you will see that they are joined together, so the world and the from is actually one word. Okay, of course I can always put a space over here, right, just before the from, right, okay, but another way to do this is to put the space here, all right, to put this space over here in the end double quote. So to show this, let me just run it again. Now that is the space created by this one over here. So the n equal is another way, all right, for you to work with your print inside your Python.